This is an international route to Zambia's biggest or busiest border. So you must understand that there will be commerce that will be inhabited. So there will be revenue generation that will be stopped. This road is part of the reasons why our economy is performing what it's performing. So this is a drain to it, but we are committed to making sure that quickly we get it back on track.
So far, the plans to fix the road have started, beginning with creating an alternative road for commercial and domestic road users.
They'll work throughout the night, 24/7, so that by tomorrow or even before tomorrow, we can as well have even trucks start crossing.
We can begin the work and finish in 48 hours.
The motorists have been advised to observe all traffic rules as the government responds to the disaster.